Well, the way I explain it to my kids is this. You could think of these tax credits like a coupon code from the government to buy health insurance. It's worked for years, millions of people use it, makes it affordable for them when they purchase their premiums every year. The coupon code, though, is expiring on November 1st. If that happens, Democrats say places like Chase Brexton here in Glen Burnie will get hit really hard.
Don't let these subsidies expire. Don't force families to choose between health care and paying their bills. Don't create a preventable public health and fiscal crisis.
Federal and state Democratic lawmakers came to Chase Brexton in Glen Burnie today to call for an end to the health care fight in Washington that is fueling the government shutdown standoff. The two parties in Congress currently deadlocked over affordable health care tax credits. Democrats want an extension before enrollment begins on November 1st and warn if it doesn't happen, everyone will pay. Premiums will nearly double for most, including 190,000 Marylanders.
With the health benefit exchange, which are seeing increases as much as 300% actually.
Many will become uninsured, leaders warn, overwhelming emergency rooms and community health care providers like Chase Brexton.
Whatever the number is, we're going to work to be ready.
Most Americans say they want the tax credits to continue, according to research from the nonprofit, nonpartisan firm KFF, including 59% of Republicans and 57% of MAGA supporters who say Congress should extend the subsidies. In addition, nearly 78% of people enrolled in the ACA marketplace live in red states won by President Donald Trump in 2024. Even so, Republicans in Congress say the pandemic-era subsidies are no longer needed and way too expensive.
I've been texting with my Republican colleagues, but they're physically not in Washington for me to have those conversations. Need to be had, kind of privately or off the floor or one-on-one, and I can't do that if the speaker's only brought us into Washington 19 of the last 100 days.
You know how you keep hearing congressional leaders, mostly Democrats, saying the two sides were not even talking to each other? Well, that's the kind of talking that they're talking about, and it's the kind of discussion, understanding each other's reasoning, maybe changing their mind a little bit. Those kinds of conversations, the experts say, are crucial if these two sides are ever going to find some kind of common ground. Reporting live from Glen Burnie tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.